Hello, today I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na Hope Oziri. Today I wan talk about section 38 of our constitution wey still dey talk about your fundamental rights. Dis one dey talk say you get right, you get freedom of thought, freedom of religion. You understand? Freedom. You get right to join any religion. You even get right to say you no wan join any religion. So that's why when I see parents wey dey even force their children to dey go church or mosque, I dey laugh them because dem no know wetin dem dey do. So say we dey in a climb wey be say children dey fit enforce their rights, well, you no go try am. You no get right to force, because so many of us became who we are. Like, we join the religion wey we join no be by choice, na sake of say na where dem born you, na so your parents dey do. So you no get right to force anybody say make im join your religion. So now you don know, no dey force people to join your religion, no dey force people to join your association. Everything na by choice, no force anybody. Thank you.